Welcome back to Tech Vibes. Today we're fixing Horizon Forbidden West stuck on the loading screen on your PS5. Start by powering off your PS5 completely instead of using rest mode. Once the PS5 lights turn off, unplug the PS5 power cable from the wall. Leave the PS5 unplugged for 60 seconds to clear temporary cache. While waiting, remove the PS5 HDMI cable from the back of the PS5 and from the TV. Reconnect the HDMI cable firmly into the PS5 HDMI port until it clicks in place. Plug the other end back into the TV to ensure a stable signal for your PS5. Now reconnect the PS5 power cable to the wall outlet directly. Power on your PS5 and wait for the PS5 home screen to fully load. Launch Horizon Forbidden West on the PS5 to check if the loading issue remains. If the PS5 still freezes, close the game using the PS5 Options button. On your PS5, highlight Horizon Forbidden West and select Delete, but keep your saved data. Go to the PS5 Settings menu and open Storage on your PS5. In the PS5 Storage menu, scroll to Save Data to confirm your Horizon Forbidden West saves are intact. Return to the PS5 home screen and reopen the PS5 PlayStation Store. Re-download Horizon Forbidden West to your PS5 with a stable connection. While the download runs, avoid using other apps on your PS5. Once installed, restart your PS5 again for a clean launch. Try playing Horizon Forbidden West again on your PS5. If loading is still stuck, press the PS5 power button and hold it for 2 beeps. This will force the PS5 into safe mode. Connect your PS5 controller with a cable to control safe mode. In safe mode on your PS5, select Clear Cache and Rebuild Database. Choose Clear System Software Cache to remove PS5 temporary files. Allow the PS5 to restart normally. Try opening Horizon Forbidden West again on your PS5. If it still doesn't load, power off your PS5 again. Boot your PS5 back into safe mode by holding the power button for 2 beeps. In safe mode, select Rebuild Database on your PS5. This PS5 step helps fix corrupted game structure issues. Let the PS5 rebuild process finish without interruption. Once the PS5 restarts, return to the PS5 home screen. Launch Horizon Forbidden West again to test the PS5 fix. If your PS5 still shows a stuck loading screen, open PS5 Settings. Go to Save Data and Games/App Settings on the PS5. Select Save Data, PS5 for Horizon Forbidden West on your PS5. Choose Cloud Storage to temporarily upload your PS5 game saves. After uploading, delete the local save data from your PS5. Restart your PS5 and relaunch the game. If the game loads, re-download your cloud saves to the PS5. If not, return to the PS5 home screen and check for system updates. Open PS5 System Software Update and install any pending updates. After updating, restart your PS5 once again. Launch Horizon Forbidden West on the updated PS5. If loading is still stuck, check PS5 storage space under Settings. Delete and use PS5 games or apps to free up space for smoother loading. Restart the PS5 and try again. As a final step, reinstall the PS5 system database if other fixes fail. Once the PS5 finishes that, launch Horizon Forbidden West again. And that's it. Your PS5 should now load Horizon Forbidden West smoothly again on Tech Vibes.